Sexual misconduct within law enforcement, encompassing a range of unethical behaviors from harassment to assault committed by police officers, is a critical issue that deeply impacts public trust and the integrity of policing institutions. This form of misconduct not only victimizes individuals, but also casts a long shadow over the many officers who serve with honor, undermining the foundational trust necessary for effective community policing. Impact on victims. Victims of sexual misconduct by police officers suffer profound betrayal. The power dynamic inherent in law enforcement interactions exacerbates the trauma of the misconduct, leaving victims feeling powerless, fearful of retaliation, and distrustful of the very institution meant to protect them. The psychological, emotional, and sometimes physical scars can lead to long-term suffering and reluctance to seek help or report crimes in the future. Let's talk about erosion of public trust. The revelation of sexual misconduct within a police department can significantly erode public trust in law enforcement. Such incidents fuel perceptions of law enforcement as an institution not accountable for its actions, where officers can abuse their power with immunity. The damage to public trust is not easily repaired and can hinder law enforcement efforts, as community members may be less willing to cooperate with investigations, report crimes, or engage in community policing initiatives. Let's now talk about the challenges in addressing sexual misconduct. Number one, underreporting. Fear of disbelief, retaliation, or further victimization can lead to underreporting of sexual misconduct. Victims may feel that their power imbalance makes it futile to come forward, especially when the perpetrator is an officer sworn to uphold the law. Number two, investigation biases. Investigations into allegations of sexual misconduct can be hampered by biases within departments. The tendency to protect one's own can lead to inadequate investigations, further entrenching the culture of silence and immunity. Number three, lack of transparency. A lack of transparency in handling allegations can exacerbate public mistrust. Without clear, visible actions taken against perpetrators, the community may perceive that misconduct is tolerated or covered up. In conclusion, addressing the issue of sexual misconduct within law enforcement is essential not only for the welfare of the victims, but also for the integrity of policing institutions. By taking decisive actions to prevent misconduct, support victims, and ensure accountability, law enforcement agencies can begin to mend the fabric of trust within the communities they serve, ensuring that the principles of justice and protection are upheld for all. If you've been a victim of police sexual misconduct, call our office now.